Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, today our lecture number 28 and HW number 27. And topic is exercise 3.3 CQ1. Okay? Look. This is taken from exercise 3.3, okay, which question number is 14, okay, like question number 14. Okay, this question is made from the question number 13, question number 14 from your book, page 87, okay, page number 87, and the question number is 14, okay. From that question we make these creative questions, okay. This creative question and that creative question almost similar, but C number is made by ourselves, okay. Look, stamp one number -3, 6, 9 are the three integers. Put the signs greater than, less than or equal sign in between -3 and 6, 9 and -3, -3 plus 6 and 9 minus 6. B number, determine the value of this. C number, using the number line, determine the sum of first and third number. Okay, you see the first integer number is 3 and the third integer number is 9. Okay. Now I will solve the question number A. Look, you write here for the first case -3 is smaller than -3 is smaller than 6. Okay, therefore we can write like this way: -3 greater than 6. That means 6 is greater and -3 is the smaller. Again you see, second step, 9 and -3. You see, -3 is smaller, -3 is smaller than 9. Okay, therefore we can write, okay, that means 9 is the greater and -3 is the smaller. Now you look the third step right here. Now -3 plus 6, this is equal to what? 6 minus 3, this is equal to 3. Also 9 minus 6, this is equal to what? 3. Therefore -3 plus 6, 9 minus 6. Okay, in between this expression you see -3 plus 6 equal to 3. Similarly 9 minus 6 equal to 3. So you put here equal sign. Okay, now I will solve the B number question. Determine the value of -3 plus 6 plus -6 plus 9. Okay, right here given -3 plus -6 plus 9. -3 plus -6 plus 9. Look, minus and this minus plus, that means 3, plus and minus, plus minus minus, right here minus, plus 9 plus 9. Okay, now you see plus, this is the plus 3 and this is the plus 9. So you add at first 3 plus 9, then minus 6. Look, 9 plus 3 equal to what? 9, 10, 11, 12. Right here, 12 minus 6. This is equal to what? 12. 6. 12 minus 6 equal to 6. Okay, write the answer. Answer 6. Now I will solve the question number C. You see the question number C. Using the number line, determine the sum of first and third integer. Okay, this is the first integer and this is the third integer. Okay, at first you write given the first integer, the first integer is minus 3 and the third integer is 9. Okay, now we have to determine the sum of first and third integer. Okay, now let us find the sum of minus 3 and 9. Let us find the sum of minus 3 and 9 on the number line. Using the, look, let us find the sum of minus 3 and 9 using the number line. Okay, using the number line. Using the number line. Okay, you see this is minus 3 and this is plus 10. Look, at first you draw, this is a number line. Okay, this is a number line. Look, you think this is 0, then minus 1, then minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. And this is 9, you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now look, you see minus 3. Minus 3 is higher. From 0 to this side, that means in the left side, 0 to left side is minus 3. Look, 0 to left side, that means 0 to, you step 1, 2, 3, that means 0 to in the left side, after 3 steps we got minus 3. Now you look, this is plus 9. Okay, this is plus 9. Now you have to count from here. Okay, where is 9? Look, from here. From here you have to go 9 steps. Yes, student, mind it, you have to move from here to there is 9 steps, not in 9 steps. Look, like this way. You see, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, again you see, you have to move from 3 to 9 steps, not 9. That means you have to move only 9 steps. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now our result is what? Our result is only 3. Okay. So look, our result is positive 3. So you have to move and you have to submit your number line like this way. Okay, I hope you understood. Now you have to write. Look, to find, dear student, what I told, what I describe yourself, now you have to write in language. Okay, to find the sum, at first we write to find the sum. To find the sum, at first we move. At first we move 3 steps. You move 3 steps. To find the sum, at first we move 3 steps left. 3 steps left from 0 and reaching at -3. Okay, you look, to find the sum, at first we move 3 steps left. 3 steps left, that means in this side from 0. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. And reaching at -3, and you see we have reaching in -3. Okay, now then we have to move 9 steps. Then we have to move 9 steps. Then we have to move 9 steps. Then we have to move 9 steps to the right of -3. And reaching at 6. Okay, and reaching at 6. Okay, that means this is the initial point. Or so you give here a marking here. So you have to marking in here. Okay, as we reaching at 6, so you have to marking in here. Okay, mind it, this is very, very important. Look, thus you write thus -3 plus 9. This is equal to what? -3 plus 9. This is equal to 6. Okay, now you see our normal result is 6, and our using the number line our result also 6. Okay, dear student, now I want to talk with you about our SW topic. You see, SW is exercise 3.3, page 84, example 5. Okay, this is solution in your book. Okay, you practice from your book, and that math is similar to today's CQ. Okay, dear student, you have to submit all of your SW copies on every Sunday within 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. and you have to submit these SW copies on next Sunday. Guardians or anyone else can collect or submit these SW copies. Dear student, you have to practice more and more and abide by your parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.